In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Bitstamp. Since I don't have an access due to verification restrictions, I'll explain the process based on how it generally works and based on my research. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Bitstamp and already log in with your email and password. Now, complete the two-factor authentication or 2FA if required. So if you're a new user, you may need to verify your account before depositing your funds. Now, assumingly we navigate the main interface of the Bitstamp once you log in. So in the deposit section in the dashboard, click on that and then choose your preferred deposit method from the available options. And then Bitstamp supports multiple deposit options including bank transfer, credit card, PayPal, and crypto deposit. After that, completing the deposit, enter the amount you want to deposit and follow the on-screen instructions based on your chosen payment method. And after that, check your balance and that's it. That's how you deposit money on Bitstamps. Even though I couldn't access the platform due to verification restrictions, this guide should help you navigate the process smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.